So what's up, my boys? What's up? So let's add constraints to all our UI and start coding. I hope finally we start that. Because I'm really tired of making UI. I don't like make UI. I don't like to make design. But anyway, I need to do that. By the way, I made a cancel button, cancel search. So we have a play button and we have cancel button, like so. Now let's group them in the folder. Okay, matchmaking. Matchmaking buttons. Yo Profan, yo bro, welcome. Yo bro, yo Nuki, welcome bro. Damn, that lighting looks good. Thank you bro. Lighting? What a lighting? What the hell is here? Where? What is lighting? If only my UI was as good as this, bro. Bro, you think I just I even when I started making this game, I couldn't make like so. So this is just a little practice, bro. So when I started, this definitely didn't look like so. So thanks, bro. The UI at start is so good. Thank you, my boys. Thank you. Like, bro, what the heck? Holy cow, that's big glow up. Okay, thank you guys, thank you. I like that you like that. And also, maybe we'll use our thing for style editor. And what the hell is that? It doesn't work. Hello, good luck. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. What will you be working on today? I'll make constraints for all of that, and finally, I hope we start scripting. So, scripting. Finally, my lovely part. We start. I hope. Finally. Profan, I have a challenge for you. You should make a secret code that if you write in the chat it gives you 2 currency. I don't know, bro. Maybe we'll make something like so. Maybe we'll make on the April Fool's something like so. Anyway, hi, hello, nice looking UI. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much. What type of game will be Live Light B? Tower defense like MTD? No, bro, what the hell? No. This is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors. Don't forget to like the live. Thank you very much, my friend. What is this game about? This is like hide and seek but with random abilities for survivors. Like Forsaken. Yeah, the guys tell me like it's like Forsaken, but I never played this game. But yeah, probably something like so, like Dead by Daylight in Steam, if you know that. But with abilities. Yeah, thank you, Nuki, thank you. Also guys, in the pinned message in the chat, you can win. You have a chance to win 500 Robux for the best lore. All you need to do, just join my Discord server, and here's a lore competition channel. You can write a little lore for this game, and maybe if you win, I'll pay you 500 Robux, and also this lore will be added to the game, so your lore. This is very easy, like from 2 to 6 sentences, that's all you need in like a couple of minutes of your time. If you want participate, guys, pinned message in the chat, and here is the Discord link. So good luck, my boys. By the way, Profan, I reworked my UI today. Great, bro, great. That's cool. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. So what do you rework? Like changed at all, or just visuals, or like change the code, or what the hell? How did you make this UI? By the way, Windows 10, nice. I just made it in Photoshop. Yeah. So let me show, guys. Shop we need to make constraints. Left buttons, matchmaking buttons off, like so. So we have a shop. Let's add here as a constraints for all our parts which we made all these days. Leaderboard, by the way, we turned off for now, because a lot of people ask why it doesn't work. Because, guys, it's not connected yet, so we need we'll connect it a bit later. So range bar, this is script thing. Let's move it to assets alt, I think. And so leaderboard frame, let's also move it here. We don't need, so not to mess up in our UI. So now we have left buttons, shop frame, timer. That's all we need. And shop timer or timer, we probably put just folder matchmaking, and that's will be all we need. Right? Yeah, that's definitely better. We have only 2 frames here and 1 folder. Better, definitely better than have 20 frames inside the frames. So, okay, let's add constraint for all left buttons. Probably I've already add. Yeah, that's right. Let's go in our shop frame. Let's add here as a constraint, and we need to. Okay, here's the constraints we have. I don't know, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, so all great, except we need to add constraints for our this text, of course. And let's go to do that. This is not take a lot of time, this is pretty fast. We do that, and let's see. So let's go. Let's start with this one. Constraint scale text. Let's see, all right or not. Yes, great. Shop little. For these buttons we also do it like so. Select plugins, constraint. What about these labels? Also probably without constraints, right? Yes, let's add a constraint here. What the hell? Let's check. Maybe we already put constraint. No, we didn't. Okay, let's add maybe scale text scale, some problems. Scale text. Text size. Oh, because text size is 8, of course. That's not too much, like 25 maybe. 25. Yeah, like so. Let's make all of these text size 25 first. Text size 25, and then we add a constraint here for the text, and let's see. Let's go, my boys. All right. What about this one? This guy probably skipped. Text scale. Text, what the hell? Oh, all right, okay. So this, all right. What about selection? What about select? Oh, wait. Oh, I press Ctrl Z. I made my lore. Okay, bro, thank you. But all the lore, guys, I check on the stream before the game releases, because I don't want to. I don't want to. Oh, I'm again. I want on the stream like keep my first reaction on that, so that's why I'm not reading your lores before the stream starts. So that's it. But thank you guys. Yeah, there's not a lot of guys now with lore, so you have a lot of chances to win probably, and because there's something like 10 or 8 stories, something like so, if I'm not wrong. So good luck guys, good luck. So size, what about size? Text. So text size maybe 50, I don't know. Maybe 50, I don't know. Let's go. Maybe 45. 40 really, maybe. Okay, 45. What about 45? Looks like use of set. What abilities are you planning to add? I feel hide and seek games can be very fun, but you need to work a lot on player satisfaction. There is already 23 abilities, like invisibility, multi-jump, dash, like a lot of abilities. Some push bombs, flashbang, like second life. 23 abilities I've already added. You're cool, thank you bro, thank you very much. Profound secret is 0.26. No bro, this is just this is not actual, this is just I randomly put the numbers. How's the game going? Great bro, great, thank you. He's making tremendous progress. Thank you bro, thank you. So, okay, this is not actual chances. Is it Roblox? Yes bro, this is Roblox. What's the problem with the shop title? What the hell? Oh, I think I know. What the hell? Yeah, like so. Yeah, nice, that's better. Basement live lighting, yes bro, yes. Okay, so let's go next. This one have, this one have. Silent Survivor don't have. About this I'm not sure how to make it properly, but let's add a constraint. Yeah. Text size like, I don't know, 20, maybe 20 or 25 I think. Description will be. What the skill you are being in? Scripting, building, UI, etc. Bro, I'm full stack developer. I do everything in this game, from modeling and UI, and with Blender models and scripting. I made everything, and finishing with YouTube, all because I'm solo developer, bro. But can't hackers hack your game if they see your scripts in live stream? No bro, no, because all the, of course they can do some things, but this is independent if I showed scripts or not, because I'll cover all loopholes, of course. Like I only trust the server, and so I shouldn't worry about that. So just you need to know what to do with that stuff. I'm very interested about this line. So yeah, a lot of guys asked me about security, like I'm showing the code. No, guys, if the hackers have enough skills to break the game, they break the game even without knowing the code. And opposite, if they noob hackers, exploiters, they probably, even then, when they see the code, they shouldn't do like anything. Of course, exploits like flying and some other stuff, I need to make anti-cheat for that. And yeah, but it doesn't mean like if they see my code, there is something really bad with that. Will it be helpful for them? Probably not. I don't think so. So, about description. Yeah, thank you, Nikki. So, maybe, I don't know, 20. Most exploiters can be dealt with by just make sure not to trust the client at all. Yeah, you are absolutely right, bro. You're absolutely right. So if they can exploit, they probably know how the game works properly. So without knowing even your scripts, because this is not hard to understand, like exactly how some features works, because not a lot of ways how to make some stuff. I will go develop my game. Bye bro, bye. So what the hell with that? Description. See ya, bro. Hello, welcome. Hello. So, scaled. What game you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. By the way, guys, who's new, you can win 500 Robux in my Discord server. You just need to make a lore for this game, and your lore will be in game. In the game, if you are a winner, like from 2 to 6 sentences, and that's all. So that's it. Link in the pinned message in the chat. As you see, there is a Discord, and there is you can join the channel, and here is a lore competition. The results will be before the game releases, so you have enough time. There is not a lot of people, and good luck, guys. But read guidelines, or you just can be out of competition if you don't follow guidelines. Oh, I like that. Great, bro, great. Same, it's such a fun idea. Thank you guys. Other abilities you mentioned for hiders or seekers, how will you deal with the seekers living when it's their turn? Survivors will have survivors now already have 23 their abilities. Monsters will have other abilities, like now they have monsters like couple of abilities, like 3, but later you also will get some XP from dealing damage to survivors, and but for the monster will be different abilities like critical damage, also maybe invisibility, of course. So also you can get random abilities each level, but for the monster. So that's it. You do this full time? Yes, bro. Yes, it's my full-time job. So so that's it. That's it. Silent Survivor. You don't have to answer if you don't want to, but do you make any money from making games? I'm not sharing this info, bro. I'm not sharing this info. This is personal info. What type of game are you working on? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. Yes, yes. Thank you, Nikki. So, okay. You do that UI by yourself? Looks great. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Yes, this is all mine. This is all mine. Like 12? I don't know. That's bad. Okay, let's leave it like so right now, because maybe we increase that. Okay, for description we leave it like so. Let's add here constraints. Talking from experience with the facility every time. Oh yeah, I played this game, by the way, for a very long time ago, by the way. Every time it's player's turn to be a beast, or it's in this case the seeker, the players leave. Every time it's a player's turn to be beast. No, bro. I wanna make also the game interesting for seekers also. So also you'll have abilities, random abilities, like absolutely different, and also I want to make probably you'll get more coins. You earn more money for crates when you are seeker. So that's it, I think. And that's not all, guys. That's not all. The game lasts, I think, 5 minutes. Yeah, I think something like so. But the longer game lasts, the powerful becomes the monster. This is one more feature in this game. So you'll have some aims for survivors. Like if you do that, you can win faster than 5 minutes. Just not big. We don't need to be alive like 5 minutes. So and that's it. Bro, this is not the place where the competition for the lore. You can put it in Discord if you wanna win the Robux. So hello, French fries. Welcome, bro. Welcome. So, okay. So this is template. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Nikki. Thank you. Okay, let's remove all these stats. This will be like template, stats, template, stat template, and this is ability. Discord link has expired, make sure to update that. Let me check, guys. Probably there is a link works. Yeah, I also think like so. This issue, bro, if it looks like expired, probably because if you not open Discord, Discord, yes. So guys, if you not open Discord like app in your computer, so there is a problem, like it looks like expired. This is always the bug probably. So open application first. And then maybe. So should all works. Yeah, let's see. Okay, yeah, all of that stuff. Text label, let's put here. Like 15, I think, or 20, yeah, 25 even, yeah, 25. These numbers, we delete that. Template. That makes sense. Do you have experience on other languages as well? Also, do you have any plans for how you would handle speech, fly, jump over, teleport exploits? Other languages, no. This is if you mean about programming languages, bro, no. This is my first experience in programming at all, and yeah, that's it. No, I don't have any other experience. Again, against exploits, yo, I have some ideas how to handle all of that, but need of course to practice that and check that how to do that properly. But yeah, I have some ideas how to do that, and guys on the streams helped me a couple of times and recommend me to do some stuff. So yeah, bro. Okay, so this is so small. Okay, let's do like so. And the description will be different. This text max size like 20. Maybe 20, 25. I think 22, like so, right? How it looks like, I'm very interested, like so. Description, okay, not bad, right? Just notice how do you have the old UI in Studio. I need that. I'm not sure it still works or not. Beta features, file beta features. Here is next gen studio preview. Probably you need to turn it off. Something I'm not sure about that. Let's check that. Oh yeah, next gen studio preview. So this is turned off, all of that. So okay, let's check that. What about this? Let's add scale text. Why I made this such a small text? What the hell is that? 25, like so. And thanks, dude. No problem, my bro. No problem. But soon, of course, I think we all will be on the new Explorer. So that's why. I don't like how scrolling frame. Maybe we can just hide this. I don't like how it looks like our this, how to call, full info, this scroll bar, how it looks like. What is this game about? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. The new Explorer sucks. I tried that. I like the icons, bro. I tried the icons, and this is not bad. This is just need to take some time to understand how it's properly to use, because you just use to use always old version. So yeah, but I tried that. I like that, but just it slowed down my work a little bit. That's why I still not turning it off, turn it on. So because I wanna focus on other things. But anyway, later I also will be on the new Explorer. I like the icons, really, they looks cool, but uncomfortable to when you used to like some tools placed here and they moved like in other place. This is definitely slow down your process. Scroll bar image transparency. Thickness, like so, I think. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Scrolling direction, only Y, only Y. Yes. Where we also have scrolling frame. Thickness 0. Oh, we have 0 thickness here. Okay, that's great. Cool, thank you, bro. Do you use Photopea or Photoshop? I used Photopea. Also, this is good program, and Photoshop I use now because more tools, of course. In the Photoshop, this more powerful, but this is not, guys. This is just a tool. Don't forget about that. You can make masterpieces even in Paint if you want. Just probably takes some time, more time, and needs more skills for you. Guys, so you can before I made a lot of stuff in Photopea, and this is free. But a lot of guys tell me about Figma. So you can probably try this also, Figma. So a lot of guys told me like it's cool. So I hate Adobe. Best idea is not to use any software for Adobe. Yes, but yeah, I also hate because I used a lot of time Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects to make Figma is also by Adobe. Oh, okay, but at least it's free. I used a lot of times Premiere Pro and After Effects, and this is so uncomfortable to make videos, and really when you need to cut the video in Premiere Pro, but for example to remove green background, like behind me I have green background, I can use Premiere Pro also, but at the same time this is not so comfortable to use. Like faster and better you make that in After Effects. So I need to open After Effects and move it like so. I know probably why they did like so, because you can buy or one program, or you can buy the like package of the program. Like for video editing you can buy like package instead of just one program, and probably you need to buy Photoshop also. So that's why really I tired of that. And guys, recently I found for myself, I've already used that, but there was some problems for me, but now I really love this program. This is DaVinci Resolve. This is great program. So DaVinci Resolve, it's free. Like yeah, there is a paid version, but instead of subscription DaVinci Resolve, this is, you can buy it spend like $500 or something like so only once in your life, and you can forget about subscription, and that's it. You can just use it forever, but you don't need a paid version. Really, you don't need a paid version DaVinci Resolve, because probably, yeah, if you make some movies or something like so, you can buy that. But free version, it allows you to do really amazing things. And here's a Fusion. This is analog of After Effects, and it's built-in program. What the hell? It's built-in program in a video editor. Instead of opening two programs applications at the same time, I just opened DaVinci Resolve. It's more comfortable. It's very comfortable to work. Yeah, there is some problems compared to After Effects, like you need to work with nodes when you edit in Figma. Okay, Fusion. This is After Effects analog, but really, this is very powerful tool, and this is really blow my mind blow. How it's called? I don't know. Like this is really amazing when I understand. I understand like a lot of cool free program you can get and to really make cool things like Photoshop like DaVinci Resolve. So you can really make amazing videos just for free. Just download this from official website, and that's all. Blender, this is so powerful tool, guys, so powerful tool. It's absolutely free. Use that. There is a lot of free plugins you can use. You can really make a lot of things here. And for all of that, of course, you have YouTube, where is a lot of tutorials for all these programs. And guys, so I don't even understand why you still, some of you still thinking about doing something. Just make stuff, and you have all. You have all things to start right now, guys. So so that's it. Talking about software, yeah, bro, yeah. So we're just talking about Adobe software, and why I like DaVinci Resolve. This is main point. So really, that's really so cool. And also there is a lot of AI which really helpful to you. So you really can make a lot of work faster than before and better. So you really can make good things very fast. Because when I started, guys, learning Roblox Lua, I spent for some tasks like 1 month. You can imagine that, like you just can solve your problem in coding like 1 month. I just looking on the solution on the developer forum, YouTube tutorials. Just Google, and there is a lot of stuff, documentation, and nothing helped until I needed to understand a lot of things additional to this problem. That's why, really, and because when I started, there's not a lot of powerful AI which really was helpful for me, and now you can even ask ChatGPT and it's tell you what to do. Of course, you need to check that is it right or not. But really, it's easier to work now and learn. So use that, guys. That's why I like DaVinci a lot. Plus, it's free. If you really need professional work, you can just buy the Studio version, which is, in my opinion, cheap compared to Premiere Pro. Yes, bro. Compared to how much money you can earn from YouTube videos in the future, like like if you use this program like 10 years, it's definitely like $50 $50 per year. What the hell, this is absolutely nothing. And of course, really, DaVinci Resolve, this is great. I love this program, and this is very, I like to work here, but I worked like almost 2.5 years in Premiere Pro and After Effects. So when I start working in DaVinci Resolve, this is so cool, really, when you have some knowledge about video editing. How by the way, this video about this game I made in DaVinci Resolve, and that's it. Don't ask ChatGPT for stuff, especially if you're learning. It kills your learning. No, bro, you're not right. You're not right. Don't overuse AI. This is the point. You don't need, bro, to. You don't need to sit like me on one task like 1 month. This is definitely not worth it, because ChatGPT, okay, maybe ChatGPT not the best, of course, for coding, but you can use any analogs if you want. There's a lot of analogs right now which really helpful to you and helps you in your coding. So you don't need to rely on AI like this does all works instead of you. This is a bad approach. So of course, if you need to just explain, if it explains something to you, that's right. But if you do every task like, oh, I know how to do that, I use ChatGPT for that, bro, of course you lose your skills. So yeah, I partly agree with you, bro. But in learning, bro, I didn't understand OP until I asked ChatGPT to explain OP by using my examples about this game. So really, it was very helpful, because I like 3 or 4 months tried to understand why. So I understand what is OP. I understand how metatables work, but I don't understand where I can use that, the main problem. So yeah, for me, classes like class animals and cat and dogs, that's right, but I don't have cats and dogs. I have survivors and monsters, and it helps me to explain this by using my examples. Of course, if you don't have skills, like rely on AI, like it make the game instead of you, that is a bad approach. Absolutely agree. Because you learn nothing. You learn nothing, like just one mistake it's made, and you stuck forever. And so of course you need some skills to understand it, and yeah, to understand if it's right or not. But sometimes you can ask. So this is a tools, guys. If it's helpful to you, that's right. That's right. So just use that. If it's not helpful, that's you don't need to use that. This is really just your right. I don't mind the guys who use that or who don't use that. I don't care about that. I also I only think about myself, like this is helpful for me, okay, I use that. If not, I not. Wow, your design is amazing. I can make scripting anything build, but I just cannot UI designing. Can you tell me where you learned it? Bro, I learned it just because I had practice. This is not the design like it looks before. My previous design looked absolutely different, like not so good like right now, because even when I started this game I didn't have these skills like this, but I had some experience in Photoshop, like because I have 3 years experience editing YouTube videos. So yeah, so some things I understand how to do, and so that's it. Just practice, bro. Even when I started making all of that, I didn't have the same. Where is it? I'll show you guys how my UI looked when I started this game, like this. So this is the same? Definitely not the same. This is much worse. Like yeah, it's almost the same, and so yeah, it's definitely not the same thing like we have now, right? Right. Just guys practice and just keep an eye about other games, about other works. This is Phoenix, also just Phoenix, who's my tester and subscriber. He use I noticed that he used in his work a lot of shadows, like so. This is like frames behind that. So this is like a shadows, like 3D effect, something like so, for these buttons. And I just noticed that and just also start using that. So just guys, you need to keep an eye about others' works, about other games, about sometimes I just join some games and just look how they did that. And of course, not still just one by one UI. This is not a good approach. But guys, when I started making my first game, I did something like so. So my UI for my memes tower defense was looking like TDS. UI. A lot of guys tell me about that. Like I stole UI, but who cares, guys? I don't care. I did install that. I just copy the style like so. So just need to practice, bro. Just need to practice, and you definitely will make really something cool. Do you use profile store or profile service? Profile store I use here. Before I use profile service, but Butch or someone recommended me to use profile store. It's like profile service, but better. Like it was easier to set up or something like so. So definitely it's better to use that. How is he reacting to the question? What the hell? Okay, let's go. So okay, this is done. Let's open the viewer info. So that's it. Let's go. Let's see what we have here. Oh, here I've already fixed that, right? Right, like so. Oh no, this window only. Info. Model window. I saw that you were creating a game and I want to support you by donating you some Robux. Could you come on please donate for 5 minutes just to give you come on please donate for 5 minutes just to give you some Robux. Bro, if you wanna donate Robux, there is a links for where you can donate Robux. So we have already made that. How much Robux will you spend on ads? At the beginning 0. I wanna try to promote the game without any ads. So I thought about ads in my game, but I want this project, guys. I decided probably I'll try to make without any advertisement. That's all. Because why I started all of that? I just wanna this is challenge, like if it's possible to make the game absolutely for free without money, just using your skills, and make it viral by using YouTube. Probably I'll use TikTok and some other stuff. So I don't know if it's possible for me or not. This is challenge. I'll try to do that, and I'll do my best. But if it's possible, I want just so it'll be motivation for a lot of you guys, like because maybe some of you maybe think it's not possible to make the cool game and really make it viral and earn money from that. Really, so if I'll do that, so I wanna, it'll be all of this will be a motivation for you guys. That's just you're willing, just if you have internet and minimum requirement for your PC, like to open RobloxStudio and to Blender or something like so, you can make really cool projects without any money. So that's the idea of this stream series, and that's my challenge also, one of them, because I hope it motivates you if this project will be successful. So that's why. I donated 250 Robux. Thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate that. I hope it will help you. Yeah, of course, bro. It's very helpful. Thank you very much, my friend. So that's why, guys, I do all of that, because really, I know, there is not a lot of people have for advertisement. Usually, you need a lot of money and so on. So this is I wanna prove to myself. I wanna check if it's possible to make that without money, and if so, really, I hope it motivates some of you to really make games. So that's it. What do you use for scaling GUI? So if the player is another device, the GUI is the same size. This is called Auto Scale Light plugin. This is a free Auto Scale Light. Light. Oh, light. This is free, but this is absolutely the same, bro. This is just create instances. You can do even without that. Just hit plus, and here's a like UI aspect ratio constraint. But you probably need to change aspect ratio here. So this is just create already prepared constraints with and it takes some values depending on your instances, so it's better. So guys, so let's go. Thanks, no problem, bro. So let's go. Let's see that. So probably all right. Okay. So finally, I hope we start scripting all of that stuff. Right. Let's check again if all right. Probably let's copy that. Should to be right. Okay. Oh yeah, one more thing. I need one more thing. This here is we have a drop down menu, and we also need to add here as a constraints. Let's make it visible first, and we need to make add a constraint here. Let's remove probably also thickness to our scroll bar. like 0. We need only one template. Template, scale text, size, like 25, I think. Yeah, 25. And here's also make a template. Template, scale text, and also let's make 25. Like so. So rarity, like so. And also, yeah, I forget thickness 0 for our scroll bar. I think we'll make for all scrolling frame no, okay, no matter. What will the style of the map look like? Do you have an idea or what the map will be? Yes, you can watch the video, bro. There's already we have a map, and yeah, it's randomly generated map. Like first, this is Arena City. The second will be the basement. First Arena City, like I took a template from base plate, template, texture, and that's it. Yeah, thank you, Nuki. So let's go script, I hope, finally. So let's go. So modules, local modules, character model, main menu controller. So let's initialize our buttons first. Show frame, visible to false, left buttons. So we have these buttons, right? Right. Okay. GUI, game player GUI, lobby screen GUI. GUI, left buttons. Okay, main buttons, left buttons. We have that. Yo, bro, you're at 757 subscribers. That's bad. W. Thank you, bro. Yeah. Okay, we have a controller. Finally, my favorite part starts, because I really tired of making all this design. Finally, we start coding all of that. Best of luck on your game. How do you stream shorts and regular? I just put this is a plugin for OBS called, let me see. Where is the plugins? What the hell? Like like vertical output or something like so. I don't know how to see here. Yeah, some vertical output and multiple output you need for that. Oh no, vertical multiple output. This is like additional. This is for Twitch I made. Like just you need to create you need to go to your studio, go live, and here's let me show, guys, because I know you asking, bro, and because I spend a lot of time to find how to make that. You need first to make schedule stream. You create a stream and then schedule another stream for shorts. You need to set up for shorts, so, and then you need to put your stream keys here and separate them, like for one stream and for second stream. Here is the settings. So you probably find how to set up your stream keys. But the main feature why it's hard to do this is no one talk about. You need to schedule stream first. So I always schedule first, connect my streams, and then only I start. Because if you just start one stream, it doesn't help you. So that's it. Sorry, I was late. Hello, Albert. Hello, no problem. Games already fired. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. So, okay, let's go. GUI left buttons. Main buttons, show button, active. Okay, let's change that. Thank you, bro. I appreciate the help. No problem, bro. For real, bro. Even like 2 days ago or something, the last time I played it was fun, and the game already changed a lot. Thank you very much, bro. I sub it and instantly the dedication to make the game is insane, bro. Thank you very much, my friend. I think guys, we initialize our buttons a little bit different, right? Let's because this is not how we should work with our in programming at all. What the hell, really? So we just have one image button, template and left buttons. We just, when we initialize our buttons, we call self dot main buttons, self main buttons. This is main buttons, left buttons, template clone. We create a variable, local template equals to this. So we create these buttons here. Hey guys, hello, welcome. Hey, why are you using activated instead of mouse button one click? Mouse button one click, this is equals to touch, yeah? Right? Probably you're right, bro. Probably you're right. Yes, it works on mobile devices. You can still use activated, it's the same as mouse button one click. Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Okay, activated. Can you play the game for like a minute? It's not working, bro. It's not working right now. I can't play that. I'm pretty sure that mouse button 1 works for PC users and activated works on all devices. Okay. Okay, that's not a big deal, guys. It'll be activated, and this is not a big deal if we change that a bit later. That's not a problem. So, okay. Template for 4. Okay, self images. Let's create a table. Does the game itself? No, the game works like in Roblox, yeah, but I can't play in Studio because it's not. It's broken for now. In Roblox, yeah, all works, Nuki. Thank you. It's for all devices the activated event. Okay, that's not a big deal, guys. If we need, we change that. Shop. Inventory. Shop inventory. Rewards and settings. So shop, let's go. Let's see that. Shop here. This is inventory. This is rewards. And settings. So we have that. For button image in self.images do. So we create a template for that. So template dot parent template dot image label dot image equals to image template local layout equals to 1. Okay, template. Okay, let's define that. Like this is template, this is what? Image button. Do you have button animations or sound, by the way? Not yet, bro, not yet. It's a little bit later, but yeah, of course, will be sounds and animation. But first I need to make a foundation for that, because visuals later. Yo, Profan, yo, Nikki, what do you want? So, template, layout order equals to layout, right? Right. And layout plus equals to 1. Or we can just make it like so, by the way. I have to stream so I need to get ready, bro. Have a great stream and hopefully everything goes well. Thank you, Nico. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you for help very much, and have a good stream also, bro. Thanks for being here. Thank you, bro. So we can make that. Index, maybe. Maybe just like so. For index image, so index, this is number for our table, and inside we have a table. We have properties. You would make a mistake, since if you need to set the name, you need to make it dictionary, like shop equals name equals shop, image, the image ID, and names and names, images, shop name. I'm not sure really we need that or not. I think okay, let's make it simple, and why not just make it like so. Let's make really it simple and don't care about that. It will be easier, and that's it. So okay, template layout we don't need, and here's layout. Layout equals to 1. Template name equals no, we do not need. Template parent equals to self main buttons, and template visible, of course. True. And self buttons, you're cool. Thank you, bro. Self buttons equals to template, I think. Self buttons okay, maybe self buttons I equals to template. Print self buttons. I want to check that. The image button would be all templates, and would be hard to access one of the image buttons. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. We need to change the name of that, of course. Template.name equals to Okay, I want to check if this work or not at all. Let's call this enabled. Let's create a script. Local game get service replicated storage, local main menu controller require res modules, local modules, main menu controller dot new. We need nothing. Main menu controller init. We also don't need something. No, we need nothing here. And let's go see. I want to see if it's work at all or not. Maybe it's not work really. Let's check that. Expected identifier. Okay. No, yes. What the hell? Self images. Okay, let's not do that. You need to make variation for the new thing like local module, that module, new module init. Variable you mean? No, it shouldn't be a variable. No, bro. Oh wait. Oh wait, maybe you're right. Wait, local GUI, new GUI. Maybe you're right. I forget about that because this is constructor, and maybe we need to pass that, right? Like so, I don't know. Self images. But wait, cell main menu controller index screen GUI. So the problem is here, right? Okay, just let's print self. I want to check. Oh, bro. Of course, you're right. Yeah, I forget about that. Yeah, Albert, thank you. You're right. Yeah. Absolutely right. Menu controller. Oh, here, right? Return self. Here I should return. Let's check. Jump to call missing method init of table. You need to return self all the way down in new function. In init, wait. Hi, hello. Like you need to do return self all the way down in new function. like here. Hi, hello guys. Okay, wait. Print self. Let's first in. Okay, let's check that self. Okay, we have a table, right? Images, right? Main buttons, left buttons. Okay. Attempt to call missing method init of table. I did it so it's supposed to work. Main menu controller. Main menu controller. Set method table. Okay, what if we do like so? This should be the same, right? Oh no, wait. If so, we need to make it like so, I think. New GUI, because column this is passes itself. Okay, that's better. That's better. Oh wait, you need to do something after the main menu controller variable table in the module. Main menu index controller. I have that. Here is it. Index. Oh, bro, I skipped one. This underline. What the hell? I skipped one underline. I think that's the problem. Okay, new GUI init. Yes, I just forget about one more underline here. Okay. Self buttons. Nil with number. So self. Okay, let's not push it inside. We don't need that, I think. Okay, let's just create the buttons. Oh wait, yes, nice. I have a problem with setting an image and grabbing the image ID from a module. I have passed it as an int, but this doesn't load clone. What's the error you get? So we need to return self, right? Or not? There is no error, it just doesn't load. Try to print out your image ID, bro, and try to print out image ID. Maybe image ID doesn't exist, or maybe wrong. Okay. So template, background, no, image color 3 equals to color. Let's copy that color 3 from RGB to this one. It prints out the ID correctly. Do I have to publish the image to Roblox? If you upload this, bro, in your game, it's already published, like your image. You can't use your image without publishing. So if you have a set ID for your image. It's already in the game. It's already on the website. So nice. We can change all of that in one click. Nice. Just change that. So okay, nice. This is color. So now template. Okay, really, we don't do like so. We really make it without all of that stuff, because there's not a lot of buttons we'll have. That's not a big deal. Shop button, inventory button, rewards button, and settings button. It works now. The problem is I passed the ID of the decal, not image. Oh, okay. Okay. So okay, let's remove all of that stuff, really. Just not mess up with all of that. Okay. Main menu buttons, shop button, inventory button, third rewards button, and settings button. Right. Print, shop, on reverse button pressed. Rewards and settings. So initialize. Let's go. Nice. Great. Okay. So let's go. Replicated store. Okay, let's create modules. Local modules. This is equals to modules. Local modules. Where local modules menu controller. Left buttons. So we initialize that, right? So okay, let's go. Start for the first. When we open the shop, but how to properly separate that? Let's check that. Looks like stuck sometimes. What the hell? Okay, nice. So, okay, let's check. Is ChatGPT helpful with scripting? Right now, yes. For me, that's helpful, but you shouldn't rely on itself too much. Like, I just use that because I really spend a lot of time to understand one feature, like 3 months or 4 even. Like, you don't, if you can do it without AI, better do it without AI. So because you can lose your skills very fast if you rely always on AI. So like an additional tool, yes, bros, this is very cool. I mean the whole UI. For me, ChatGPT helpful, really. But better really try to find info on your own. Even you really don't know how to solve the problem for a very long time, yeah. So this is my point. So okay, shop controller, open category. Okay, let's check here. Shop controller init. So let's see. Okay, we can close that, I hope. Let's go in modules, main menu controller. Main menu controller. That's it. So shop. Okay, let's open our UI to see what we have here. Also left button less in when we initialize that. Let's make it visible, of course. Self main buttons dot visible. Close it through, right? Okay, so we start. Nice, yes, great. Okay, so this is initialized, and probably we create separate modules right here. Oh. Okay, let's see our UI. Shop frame. Here's. Oh, I forget to add here constraint. Yes. Yeah, nice. Yeah, great. Okay, test. Let's go. So shop frame. Let's turn off all unnecessary things for our shop. Oh, by the way, let's create a template for our how it's called, crate. Template crate, because this definitely not what I like. Probably we just take the same as common template crate, just put this model and remove stats. Oh wait, stats. Like we just name that like it will be crate, like ninja crate, and this will be without abilities. We don't need abilities, of course, here. Let's take this amount. So this will be amount, I think, like so, or maybe on this corner. Yeah, why not? Text x like 1000, for example. Scale text. Like so, yeah, I think like common all will be that. And this will be here, I think. That's we don't need it. Color, I think, to white just, and this will be amount. 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 Okay, and for the shop we'll make the same thing. Inventory, shop. Let's make it invisible. Also thickness, I want to check thickness for all of that. Okay, 0, great. Visible. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh yeah, I know what's that. Best deals. Probably will need to make an inventory also constraints. Let's add here constraints. Yeah, like so, okay. So let's make that invisible. Go in best deals. Best deal, survivor to plate. Why in best deals we have that? Probably not. Probably we don't need that. Just template crate. Okay, let's turn off unnecessary buttons stop. And what about these buttons? Inventory. Oh, inventory, yeah. All these visible to false, right? Like so. Shop. Category buttons like so. And what about this? But those creates coins skins. Best deals, rates, coins, skins. So layout order 1, 2, 3, 4. This visible to false. Best deals creates coins. Best deals creates coins. This creates. This we don't need that. Okay, a little bit smaller. Like so, I think. Yeah, great. No, let's take a template from here. So like this. Do you use Visual Studio Code? No, bro. I tried that, but I don't. There's a lot of issues with that. Like, I need to always synchronize that with RobloxStudio to when I create new instances. And no, I tried that. Yeah, like GitHub, that's cool, but not a lot of benefits for me. If I use VS Code like so, and we also need to name amount, also need a time. Yeah. Maybe like so, I think. So let's start with create. Also, let's create amount. Let's duplicate that and go up here. And this will be on the center. Alignment, center. Like 23. Okay, no, here's we don't. Oh no, or we have. How do you get a picture of me on the shirt? Like this, bro. That's true, bro. That's true. What is the concept for the game? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. What do you mean by 63 out of 30? I mean 63 days out of 30, bro. That's what I mean. Maybe on the right? Wait, we need to align text. Let's go. Right. Like so. Rafan, do you fit your basement? Yeah, with new testers, of course, bro. Of course. So. No, maybe in the middle will be better. That's why I have to test survive. Yes, bro, yes, that's why. I think this will be better. No, wait, we don't need amount here, because this is deals, this will be here. This is will be just time left. I'm honestly amazed how well you do GUI. I completely suck at them. I just use local script to avoid messy hierarchy. Bro, I also not the best GUI maker. I just practice a lot, and this is the second time I remade this UI for this game, and it takes a lot of time, bro. So just practice, and so you also make like so. So I also, when I started even this game, I didn't make like so. Just keep an eye about others UIs, and that's it. Okay, crates, coins, best deals. Okay, let's go. Would you say Roblox is the best UGC platform? What is UGC? Like UGC items? Or what do you mean? I don't know what is UGC in your case. How do you handle GUI button presses? By using my script, I initialize that in my main menu controller here. I have constructor for my where I store my GUI, and then I initialize all these buttons which I store in the meta table, and just initialize, and I can control all of that. But you probably can make it simple. This is user generated I don't know. Okay. User generated content. Maps games, a platform made for people to make maps for money. The best UGC platform, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I never used other platforms to talk about that. Like, this is good platform, definitely. I like that. But the best, I don't know, bro. If I would use other, I would talk about that. So okay. Let's create a shop controller. How we can make that? So here's let's create a module, I think. Create shop, daily deals, best deals, I think. Best deals. Oh wait. Rates, coins. So best deals. Coins, crates. So I already started to make about crates. Let's start making this for our best deals, because this is first up for us. Best deals. The best UGC is basement. Perform make basement UGC. Yes, bro. Yes, agree. Collection service and tags might make stuff simpler with the buttons. Not only with buttons, yeah, you can use that, really, why not? Okay, how we can initialize that? Like create a shop main controller, maybe. Or just best deals, that's all. Okay, let's maybe best deals, because it's always will be the first one. Okay, so let's go. So best deals. Best deals. So frame. I think we'll make it all invisible for now. Okay, shop frame. Self shop frame. Okay, GUI game players local player GUI. Wait for child. Lobby screen GUI. This is GUI shop frame, right? This is a frame. Okay. Self main frame. Self shop frame shop. Well, this is already something weird. Maybe shop frame will be enough. Oh, what is viewer alt? What the hell? We don't need that. By the way, how we can buy new one? How we can buy this? Model viewer. We have a buy buttons or not? Oh yeah, we have. Nice. So let's remove viewer alt. Place in the sets alt. So viewer buttons, buy buttons. Let's check again. Yeah, we have that. Nice. Okay, viewer invisible. Info items viewer. So this will be for everything. Probably we not make that like so. Okay, let's go. Let's initialize that. Self dot or return, yeah, return self shop frame self About your rules, if you somewhat dislike something a viewer says it, that's permanent ban? Yes, bro. I don't mind criticism, bro. If you wanna criticize my game or my content, I don't. This is not a ban, bro. But these rules, because some people just join my lives and just tell something really bad without no reason, bro. Just so I don't mind criticism, bro. I don't mind criticism. Will there be basement event if will be unique and tester certified? Yes, bro, yes, of course. Dude, man, the color of your hair kinda bland. Okay, bro. No, bro, this rules not. This rules really because some people just join and tell really very bad things, bro. A lot of them, a lot of haters here, and that's rules for them. I don't. If you really. Okay, why I explain that, bro? Have you played Minecraft before? Of course, bro, of course. Yes, but like for the last time I don't play Minecraft. Maybe sometimes I have a vibe for that, and but not too long. I don't know. I can't play that for a long time. But when I was younger, of course, I played a very long time because this is a very cool game, I think. Okay, bye, good luck. Bye, bro, bye, good luck, you too. Cause words are very bad. Okay, guys, okay. I'm gonna eat and I'll be here in 20 minutes, guys. I'll leave it like so. Let's deals also off. There's like phrases for me personally. Sometimes I like playing, but then for years I don't play. There's like phrases for my personally. Sometimes. Oh yeah. Same bro, like about some games I have the same vibe, and yeah, Minecraft the same, but not too long I play that, because yeah, like it's cool, it's really cool when you play with friends, but we can't play like for a very long time, like no. Maybe someday I play live streams or something like so, but not now. Can I be a tester and content creator? Yes, bro, the game is in open test. So guys, I'm gonna eat and I'll be in 20 minutes here. I'm back. Where is for fun? I'm here. So, okay, let's go. Self, shop frame, best deals. Why it's not okay, let's see. Main menu controller, main menu controller. Okay, what about this? Best deals, best deals. Shop frame, GUI shop frame, right? Right. Why it's not showing here? I'm very interested. Lobby screen GUI. Lobby screen GUI. Set meta table. Okay. So I return self here. Best deals in it. No, it should be here, I think. Yeah. Oh, frame. That's it. Wait. GUI. Shop frame, right? Yes. Shop frame. Sell. Why it's not appears here? Self main buttons. Okay. No matter. Visible equals to true. Then item button. Okay, let's no, I think we create for this we need probably initialize here also main menu controller and shop button pressed. This is all for main buttons. This is all for shop frame. Okay, no, we need to separate that, of course. But probably let's make that not best deals. Let's make it shop. Self. Shop frame. Items. That's visible equals to true. Also, viewer, we need to make it visible equals to true. Self shop frame. Okay, I understood. If we already defined that, it appears again. Self shop frame button exit. Activated. Connect. Function like so. So function on function shop and method on exit button rest. I was making music, sorry, I was there, and but happening was no bro, all right, I ate for 20 minutes and I just came back. Okay, self, how we call that, self next button pressed. So and we make all of that to false. False. Like this. Let's rename this from best deals to shop. Hey there, sorry to ask, but can you make your voice volume a bit higher? Of course, bro, of course. This is better? No, like so. It's better? Yeah. Did you put your volume to max? Not at the max. No, there is some. Now it's louder, better, guys. Or too high, maybe. Fine like this. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, because I don't hear how it's for me. So tell me if there are some issues. Thank you. No problem, bro. Thank you for reporting, because really I don't hear myself, and sometimes it's really I need that to know. Yeah, it's cool, but it feels distorted. So that's the problem. That's the problem. Maybe I have a compressor or something like so, by the way. In filters, a little bit. Somehow I cannot mic filters. Maybe compressor I have here. Yes. So what about ratio? So What about now? Oh, maybe clipping anyway. So yeah, probably it's clipping or not, or what's, maybe that's okay right now, like so, or anyway distorted. So guys, what about this? Maybe like so? It's loud enough, I hope, and maybe not distorted. Okay, tell me if there are some issues. So, shop. No, shop controller we place here. Shop controller. So main menu controller. Let's require our module. Local. Shop controller. Game. Get service. Replicated storage. Modules. Oh wait, what the hell? Not like so. Require script parent shop script shop controller, and here is shop controller dot new shop controller dot new. Okay, no, local shop controller dot new shop init probably we need to make it here, I think. No, probably we don't need to make it here. Function shop open like so, I think. So init, this is just shop open shop open. Let's try. Let's make it invisible first. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. I like that. Nice. So shop, you can open. Info items viewer. Probably we can make everything here. You could also add some sound effects if you'd like. Yes, later. Function. Maybe we can put that just inside here. Hey man. I think no. I think we'll make that like best deals anyway. Because for the shop we always open this like so. Why are you using activated instead of my mouse button one click for the init function? Because it's the same? No? Someone told me about that. Activated, only allowed to fire when the active property is enabled. Fires once. Returns the input object. Mouse button down one. Fires immediately once Q button is pressed. Does not wait for the user. Let's go of the button. Returns the X and Y coordinate. Activated the same thing. Yeah, looks like so. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the same thing. Why not? So okay, let's okay, let's do like so. Shop controller. Okay, let's remove that. I'm not sure this is optimized like so. No function. So let's if you want nice animations on your UI, a lot of people use the Springs module and React. What's that? This? It's React. So this is for animations. Like okay, I saved that. Maybe I use that. The game doesn't really need animation. It's better without animation anyways. No, it's neat, bro. It's neat, definitely. Springs model is for animation, racks is for making UI quicker. I think so anyways. What is Springs module? Like for animations buttons? Or for animations characters? Like this? Or what's that? Okay, I said that. Okay, thank you. I'll keep an eye about that, bro. Yeah, but how can you animate UI with the Springs module and it requires Vector 3 or Supreme, I think? Yeah, Springs just gives you more advanced control over your UI animations. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, thank you, bro. Happy to help. Thank you, bro. So, okay. Okay, how to do it properly? So, okay, I have a shop frame, right? Here is also inventory. Items. I don't know. Okay, let's check that. Like best deals. Okay, let's separate all that by parts. Right, we have a main buttons right here. We have a main buttons. We defined and initialize that. When we press the button, we need to open the window. Like when we press shop, we open that, and we need to call our just best deals, I think. Yes, let's do like so. Let's do like so. Best deals. Oh wait, no, these best deals. Script shop best deals. Best deals. Can I initialize it right here, by the way? Yeah, maybe shop. Yeah, like so, I think better. Shop. Can I make shop dot open? Let's check that. I wanna check. Windows tip for perform to. If you enable animation on Windows, it does not affect your performance. Animation don't take even a single piece of RAM. Animations on Windows, you mean like twin service? Or what do you mean? You should use cursor. What's that? Hello, what game are you making? This is like hide and seek but with random abilities for survivors. Okay, let's check that. Shop open. Let's check. Can I initialize that? Okay, I can't. Because we can do like so. We need to initialize it separately. Oh yeah, I know, my boys. Why I do like so? I can't do like so. Initialize it here first, yes. And let's go like so. So when we open that, we need also close our self main buttons visible to false. Function local function close hide main buttons. First self hide main buttons, I think like so, right? Yeah, thank you, Albert, but better send link here. Okay, let's try. So when we open it should, okay, no, when we open it should hide main buttons. Hello, what's you coding? I'm coding UI which we made all these days. Oh, my bad. Or not? Oh, wait. Self hide main buttons, right? Print one. Okay, one. Self main button. Oh, visible to true, false. Of course, my bad. So when we open, buttons disappeared. When we close, it should appear again. So okay, hide main buttons, shop open. So shop open, let's go in here, best deals. Okay, we initialize exit button, open, show frame, items and viewer, right? When exit button pressed, we just make it false. Okay, now we need to show our best deals. Let's create, I don't know where we store all of that, I don't know. once the competition ends again. What? Like competition about lore? Before the game releases will be stream, and here will be results. I'll on the stream with you guys, you help me with picking the best one lore for this game. Okay, let's check what we have, and so we make it visible, and let's see. For the shop, what we need items, frame, right, yes, visible, and viewer, right. So items and frame. Items and frame. We need the data here. Yeah, definitely. We need a data here. We need a data. Shop. Skins, shop category, buttons. Best deals. Best deals. Oh, this is inventory, right? Yeah, this is inventory. So so here is a shop. Best deals will be here, and we just create that. Create. No, best deals. Okay. So we start with this one. Okay, let's go. Function like open. Wait, we make it visible, and we need initialize all here, right? Right. Self dot shop frame dot items dot shop. This is folder, and here's our tabs. Shop tabs. Shop. Okay, let's define this variable. Local shop tabs. Shop tabs. Dot best deals visible equals to true. Shop tabs, shop category buttons, visible also true. Also best deals, shop tabs, best deals dot template create. Template create. Okay, let's local item template it will be. Item template equals to this one. and we clone that. Clone item template. This will be image button. Item template dot visible equals to true. Let's make it invisible right now. Okay, we need to connect our data here, by the way. So let's make it invisible, make this invisible, and this. Let's go check if it's work. Shop, but we don't have our template. Shop tabs, best deals visible. Oh, parent, I forget, yeah, my bad. Parent equals to shop tabs, best deals, like so. Let's try again. Yeah, nice, okay. So now we need somehow connect this with our data, with our player data. So lobby controller. Oh, this is old one. Yeah, my bad. Show in Explorer. Let's delete that. This is default one. Yeah. Okay. So we need to get the player data here. Let's go. Player data. Okay, let's probably make that all this initialization after that. Here we will call our controllers, and that's it. And here's we initialize all of that. So we need to get the data here. Player data. Maybe we can separate that in a different script also. I already tried that. What game are you making? This is hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. If we just put this, is definitely we can put inside the also module, right? Looks like yes. local module. Let's create a module called player data. But player data, what's this data? This is our general data from the lobby. This is not in-game data, because we have two. Okay, let's create a folder better. Folder data, because one player data will be like lobby data. Oh wait, what the hell, no. We only have here only one player data. This is not an actual game. In the main game we have two modules. Okay, player data. Player data. So probably can create also here as a module, and we call that from here with our data, right? I think right. But where we fire update player data event, I'm very interested. Probably player data. Fire client. Client, player data client. Okay, can we do that without remote event? What's up? What's up? Hello. Okay, let's just start. Let's delete that. I need to check one couple of things here. Player data, right? And we have player data client. Let's, instead of making this like remote event, we just create a module. Player data client. Can we make the script which inside the module script which will change our data. Okay, let's just start to try to do that. Okay, let's go. Layer data. Okay, local. Layer data local. Index function layer data local. New local self, meta table, player data local. By the way, I often see you renaming variable in your scripts. If you want to change the name of a variable and all of the others, then you can right click the variable, example local cat, right click and rename document symbol. What? Rename. What's that? Oh, this? Oh, really, bro? What the hell? You know about this feature, guys? What the hell? Bro, thank you, that's cool. Oh, what the hell? This is insane. Control Shift R. What the hell? This seems amazing, bro. Thank you. Yeah, that's much faster. Nice, nice. So okay, self data equals to just table, return self. It really does help. Yes, bro. Yes, this is makes work much faster. Thank you. So, bro, if you're asking so much time, I do that. So, okay, player data local. What methods we need to make here? Maybe just yeah, I think I know how we can do that. I think I know. We just copy that and put it here and send the data. No, we don't send the data. Wait, data. So we get player update data event. Let's copy that. Okay, player data event, print data. So okay, we have a data. Nice. That's it. Okay, so we have a table here, and that's it. Shop, and this works. Sorry, Profound, I didn't want to ban my beer for no reason. Bro, don't worry, I did that because he wanted to spam and he asking about that and he get that, bro. So don't worry about that. So okay, I think main menu controller. Yeah, so we'll put everything here. We'll put maybe okay, maybe not. main menu controller, or wait, like we can set up here is only buttons, or we can set up like camera here and some other stuff. Probably we can put the camera and some other stuff, which we need, like leaderboard we can make here, like a play button we can put here, why not? Okay. Main menu controller. Okay, but guys, my brain stops. I see that. It's really okay. We'll continue better tomorrow because that's it. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll making that better. Like, I think about how to separate it properly, but I think what's the idea of that? I think maybe we'll make like main script which controls everything, like camera, like main menu buttons, like when you join the game, you'll see we initialize the buttons, initialize the leaderboard, initialize the play button, and also put our characters maybe here. I don't know if it's good to put everything in one module script or not. I don't know guys, but I think about that, how to make it better, and because I'm not sure how much time we need to separate that, how much modules better to make. Like of course I can make differently, like separate all of that stuff, like main menu buttons, and I don't know. Okay, we'll see how to better to do that and make that. I have separate controllers. Yeah, I have controller for each system. Yes, but I never did that before, so this is my first time I do that, and okay, I need just a little practice with that, so definitely we'll find the best solution for that, but I'm not sure about classes, how much we need to separate that. Alright, see you tomorrow then, for fun. It was fun to be in your stream and your older streams. I'll rewatch your videos since I don't want to be bored while I develop my social and hangout RPG game. Okay, thank you Albert, thank you very much for that. I'm still new to it as well. Okay, yeah, just need a little practice, and definitely I understood how to make better. Okay, my boys, thank you all who watched, thank you all who been here, thank you who helped, and we'll see you tomorrow, my boys. Bye bye.